Hi guys, today I would like to share a recipe with you for delicious chewy caramel cookies. Let's get started with the recipe. Add water to a big pan, then add the cinnamon and mix a little bit. Then add the caramel and the sugar and heat it over medium heat until the sugar has melted. Once the sugar has melted, add the butter and allow it to melt completely. Once the butter has melted, you want to remove the pan from the heat and add the baking soda. Now you want to mix well until the baking soda is all combined. It will look like it's puffing up, and then you can start adding the flour little by little, mixing it in. At the end, you want to have this kind of dough. It's still quite soft, but it will harden when it will cool. Then wrap it up in some cling film and leave overnight in the fridge. On the next day, you can make the cookies. When you start rolling out the dough, it can be quite hard, but just be patient. Once you have started to roll it, it will roll out nice and thin. Then you want to cut out the cookies. I'm just making round cookies, but you can also make any other shape. For the baking instructions, please see the link below with the recipe. Once you've baked the cookies, you want to allow them to cool completely before you start decorating them. The recipe for the caramel that I used for decorating these cookies is also available on the website, and you can find the link in the description box. Decorate the cooled cookies with some caramel, and if you want, you can also sprinkle some sea salt on top. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.